Anatomy Day, how the things will be proceeded. I will call upon Dr. Swati Mittal, HOD, Department of Pharmacology. Ma'am, can you just brief our students?
Morning, students. So it has been a brainstorming session. All of you are tired. You need now some enjoyment as well. Yes. So as planned, we've got so many activities lined up for you. All right. So I will first formally welcome you all to this World Anatomy Day. I'll give you an introduction to this World Anatomy Day, and then we'll proceed with our activities. All right. So right in the beginning, right in early morning, Bhumeen ma'am had introduced you all, invited you all, and told you all that this activity has been specifically arranged for you first year students. You are all new people to our college. So right in the beginning, we are organizing something for your benefit. Alright, so please make the full use of it. Enjoy every moment. I'm sure you have learned a lot from these lectures. Alright, so we'll proceed with the introduction to the World Anatomy Day. I welcome all of you to this World Anatomy Day. So we all know what human anatomy is. Yes, students? We all know? Yes, what is it? It is the study of structure of human body. Alright, so the history of anatomy extends from the earliest examination of the sacrificial victims. If you all are aware, way back in olden days, humans were sacrificed in the name of religion or whatever practices. And after being sacrificed, all students, you are not listening to me, you are more interested in the banner being stuck up. There's nothing over there, they're just taking it with a sellotape. Listen to me rather than watching that. Or do I wait for 2 minutes? I think that is better. No point. It's back to times which cannot be actually recorded. So in olden days, there were people who were actually sacrificed in the name of religion or some other practices. And those human bodies were then cut open and studied. So we find references to human anatomy way back in Egypt, in the pyramids. We've seen drawings which talk about human anatomy. We have the Indian Charak Samhita and Sushrut Samhita which gives a detailed description regarding anatomy and surgical procedures. However, when we move to the modern world, so we have modern sophisticated techniques which have developed, and the modern day anatomy takes advantage of the different advancements in technology and a growing understanding of sciences such as endoscopy, laparoscopy and imaging technology to create a thorough understanding of body's organs and structures. So we also have development of molecular biology which has made it possible to understand how cells function at molecular level. Okay, disciplines like endocrinology have explained the purpose of glands which anatomists could not explain earlier. Diagnostic instruments such as MRI and CAT scanners have enabled researchers to study the organs of living as well as dead in great detail. So the more we learn, the more we realize how less we know. So there's still a lot to be learned in anatomy. There are various textbooks which are available. You have so much literature and so much research going on in the field of anatomy. So today's date, the 15th of October, as ma'am had said, is celebrated as the death anniversary of a Belgian physician, Andreas Vesalius. He lived in the 16th century, and as madam said, he had written about 7 textbooks which talk about how the human body is constructed. So it's called something fabrica, which actually means the fabric of the human body, how the human body is actually created. So these 7 volumes and the kind of studies he did, they have completely changed the outlook of human anatomy. So in between and after this person, there was also, we know about these people, Leonardo da Vinci and all that, Michelangelo. So these people, they were also studying human body in great detail. So these people would kind of sneak into cemeteries, steal the human bodies, cut them open, use them as models for their paintings, and in great detail they have drawn so many paintings which actually describe how the human body is constructed. So you have pictures where you see where this person, Leonardo da Vinci, I don't remember the name of the painting, where he uses a human skin as a portrait as a model for his portrait. So anatomy is something which has interested mankind right from the ancient days till today, and only in the year 2019 the Federation of Association of Anatomists, they have declared 15th of October as a World Anatomy Day, and today we are going to be celebrating this World Anatomy Day in our college. And to this, for celebrating this, we have organized 3 competitions. We've got a model making competition, we've got a poster making competition, as well as a quiz. Alright, so we have the venue for all the events in this seminar hall itself. Students have come at 9 o'clock in the morning itself. They have displayed their posters outside. So the poster presenters can go and stand next to the posters. The evaluators will come and evaluate your posters. You have to speak for only 2 minutes, followed by another 2-3 minutes of question answer session. You will be evaluated based on that. Meanwhile, those people who have made models, they can display on the back benches. Now that we are done with the lectures, the benches over there can be used for displaying the models. You can display your models and stand next to the model again. So you will be asked to present your models. Are there anyone who is presenting a model and also taking part in the quiz? Yes? Teams are there? Okay, there are people. Okay. So then we have to finish first with the poster competition, and we'll start with the quiz. Meanwhile, let your models be displayed. Your models will be evaluated later after the quiz. Alright? So we can all start. My camp, some of them have already gone for the camp. We started the camp at 9 a.m. itself. So some of them have already attended the camp. So you all know the BMI camp and BP camp is in the room next door. Some of them have already taken the training. They've got their BMIs measured, learned how to take the BP. So the others can also go over there. Okay? So we'll start quiz in another probably half an hour. Okay? We'll first finish off the poster because there are quite a few friends who are common for both quiz and this.
Very kind of very
It's also decreasing the cost substantially.
What it is doing, it is what you are saying. What is the example? In drug discovery process, AI is implemented.
Andreas, correct.
Good morning, sir. This is our presentation from Pharmacology department. We are doing based on detecting Alzheimer's disease in the blood. Here we have used a technology where we generally know Alzheimer's is a neurodegenerative disease which will affect the brain by the loss of synapses synapses and the neurons. Here we generally see it with the age of 65 and above. According to that research about the lack of movement, we generally autopsy the brain when we are dead. So at that time only we know about the Alzheimer's disease. Here in Japan, from the Aikodo University, they have made a method to develop detect buildup of amyloid beta in the brain. Amyloid beta is actually an enzyme where more accumulation is caused in the Alzheimer's disease. That's why when accumulation of amyloid beta secretions is increased, it is a confirmation for the Alzheimer's disease. Here, digital they have detected a device that is IDIC detection device, which is a highly sensitive device with the biosensitive characters. They have with a blood sample of mice, they have taken it and they have checked the Alzheimer's disease increase in the accumulation of amyloid beta enzyme. From this we can know they have taken the mice and they have taken the blood samples where they have taken exosomes, blood exosomes from that device where the blood will be taken into that device. From that accumulation where amyloid beta accumulation is increased, then they check the Alzheimer's disease is confirmed or not. Generally, we have another method for detecting Alzheimer's disease, but they are so rare and we cannot use it full time and it is also very expensive. That's why we have created this IDIC detection device. And we have your graph also. By the increase of age also, like they have taken the mice model. So with the increase of age, the Alzheimer's disease is also increased. And majorly it is applicable for exosome biomarkers in general. It is also used for other diseases also.
This is the sensor.
Yes, sir. So it is this minor they have transferred.
What is this material made of?
It is actually the presence of otherwise it comes in a red color.
Yeah, that is interpretation. This sensor is made up of what?
The sensor will not mention it actually, sir, but we have seen it as normally micro pipettes will be there, sir. Based on that one.
Which one is having emblem?
This sir, green one.
This is only for detection.
Yes, sir.
What are other models already available for detection? Which you said it is costly.
Yes, sir.
They are not aggressive.
It does not exist. Like, we cannot use it again, sir. Only once we have to use it, and it is costly, but we cannot repeat it.
But this one can be removed.
No, sir. It is actually. Yes, sir. It will come side. Majorly Alzheimer's disease ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏಜ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ Alzheimer's disease ಜಾಸ್ತಿ neurons will be the loss of neurons and synapses will be. Generally, they have Japan and University. They have tried to detect the buildup of amyloid beta in the brain. Amyloid beta accumulation ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ Alzheimer's disease ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. We confirm it by spinal cord also and we have taken it from brain also. But when we are detecting it, we have to autopsy ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ So here from blood sample they have taken from a mice, they have done it on a mice. They have taken blood exosomes. They have from age to age they try to increase it and amyloid beta accumulation of then they try to take blood from mice. Then they see they put on the detection device. Here one is red blood and main is like actually Alzheimer's disease is mainly developed as with the technology based from biosensory fluorescence. From biosensory they get to know that whether they are having Alzheimer's disease or not. And from the fluorescent signals that emit the color. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಫ್ಲೋರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
was true. And so from this, he was further given some tests. And when the test was given, they found out that he was carrier of CYP19. He was an intermediate metabolizer, meaning from normal metabolizer which was done because CBD was introduced, and once CBD was removed, metabolization was coming back to normal.
Earlier, they used to take
From this,
spinal
we know that from drug
from there we have to take, but it is only one time from the stage. Other time you can't take it, and it is so much costly for that. Other people don't use it. That's why they have developed the device based on that.
but it was never always
Advantages from the early age, if they show like memories or something, they can easily detect from blood exosomes, and when acquisition is out, they can
one is we brought a team together of pharmacists, medical pharmacists, doctors, caretakers. The first drug used here was serotonin, and the second drug was used was CBD. No, CBD was a gene that was introduced. CBD was a drug that was introduced that now started from Canada.
No, you shall. By mistake, it was found upon. So there's a 7-year-old girl, 20 years, anxiety. The doctor had prescribed him medications such as serotonin and also
So there's a study, sir, in 2018, the University of Medical Science in US. The students tested 20 patients. They have given turmeric oil for 30 days.
Sean resulted in hyponatremia. She had a lot of fatigueness. He lost a lot of his memory. He had memory loss, and he had day-to-day decision making was reduced. He was able to make
You are talking about family medicine.
Process turmeric acted on epilepsy. Generally, it's a disorder in which the nerve cells in the brain causing failure. It is a depiction of abnormal behavior shown by a person or loss of consciousness. There's a study in 2018 from the New York when thermal coil is given to patients in regular dosage for continuously 30 days. This thermal coil acts on epilepsy and it cures it. And it was a it was for 9 months study from March 2018 to November 2018. 9 months study. And then they got
Oh, you know Tamil? Send the all video in my phone, please.
They will up. From 20 patients, from age between 1 to 70 years. I don't know, ma'am. Not
ancient time because
no, ma'am. It's like 5 ml. 5 ml. No, I think. Only turmeric I could get this. Only epilepsy was a new innovation. No, after 2010. So then in 2018.
tablet container with lock on.
And when the body is not able to find them, and duplicate themselves as they and if they are not able to find them, then they have to modify them, very engineer them, and then multiply them in the laboratories, then they give back to the patients. And then they call all this confused lymphoblastic leukemia. And after a year, in 2018, they also got it for the PLCL. And some of the benefits of it is the time solution as you can see for chemotherapy.
And in certain indication, it will go inside the body. Yes, sir, it's an in vitro device. It will monitor the physiology of patient. It's after 2010. I'm not aware of the exact year, but
innovation on dosing of pharmacy. Tablets, they are delicate organization many types of tablets like VHS sponsored tablets, which some dissolve in the stomach pH, which just like the teenage. And there are some devices also which can be kidney transplanted to the patient, like pancreatic tablets, like microliters and microliters. And most commonly everybody using is dental normal devices. Here there are and COVID vaccine pandemic because of this medicines are not available today. Conditions for the management and treatment of health conditions. With products and this is a management and treatment of health conditions. Mobile health variable sensor like smart watch, two group money बोलते हैं इधर सामने आ
So the topic is pharma innovation after 2010. In this, you have chosen healthcare facilities, how it is and how it those are the companies. These are the medicines, okay? These are the drugs. These are the drugs. You see the drugs and all. These are the drugs, major drugs which have been innovated, and the packaging was also very important. The innovation. Yes, like how vaccine got like in our India especially, where people are not really accepting Indians that they have done this innovation, have created some wonders in COVID, so that and all things, and we have shown people this concept and we have been so that people understand with the images of the English experience and less writing. Everyone started getting us.
The winner and the runner-up to be announced. I hope I'm clear. Anyone has any questions? If you happen to give a wrong answer, then that's it. Okay? It's a wrong answer. I hope I'm clear. Right?
Also used for manufacturing of pharma. Next, the prices of drugs were also increased so that the pharma companies are more profitable, and you can see the progress after 2010. The same as melanoma in India was introduced a drug named Catura for treatment of melanoma, and in 2016 for spinal muscular atrophy, also known as SME, where restricts
Yes, I hope no one's carrying their cell phones, so that don't cheat. They keep it on the table, don't cheat. So, if you answer wrong, okay, for example, one team answers wrong, it pass on to the next team, and even if they answer wrong, that's it. So, the questions are passed only once.
I'm asking if you
Okay?
will not answer it, it will come to be a one
Who is the father of modern anatomy?
Sit somewhere.
What's the answer? B.
Answer is B, Andreas Basilis.
Right answer. Okay, next question for QT2. How many C. C, sure. Sir, option C.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Next question is for QT5. The tissue responsible for expelling out cow. Right answer.
This is for team 5, right?
Yes, ma'am. Next question for QT6. Name the hormone responsible for sleep.
Silence, please.
C, dopamine.
If they fail to answer, then we will pass.
So he says B, dopamine.
It's the wrong answer.
Next question is for QT7. Epiphyseal line is present in so they say option C, smooth
Wrong
muscle.
answer.
Next question is for QT8. Norepinephrine is a C. Correct answer.
Yes. No, you can go for this.
The fibrous joint and also known as fixed joint.
B.
B, option B. Wrong answer. Next question is for QT2. Sarcolemma is a plasma membrane of
Muscular tissue.
muscular tissue. He says option B. Correct answer. Next question is for QT3. Amygdala is a part of which organ system? And two phrases.
See, you are 30 seconds, think and answer. Okay, just don't answer. If you are not sure, you pass to other team. You can also pass. Okay, but then you have to lose 5 marks to other team.
You will not get a chance. So you have 30 seconds, think and answer. Either you get 0, even if you pass, you still get 0.
Next question for QT4. The nerve responsible for both hearing and balance is so option B.
Also, she.
Correct answer. Next question is for QT5. Which of the following is the thickest blood vessel? Take option B. option or fourth option?
Astrocytes.
Option B. Option B. Option B. Option B. B for ball. Wrong. Next question is for QT6. Macrophages are the type of immune cells that may be modified from C. Next question is for QT7. Bronchial muscle is a type of option A. Next question is for QT8. Which of the following is MALT associated? Option B. Option B. Option B, sir. Next question is for QT1.
Let them also read the answer.
Okay. Cardiac notch is a part of which organ? Very hard. Wrong answer. Next question is for QT2. Which of the following is not a part of nephron?
Regular.
Are you sure?
Yes, sure.
Okay. It's a wrong answer. It's a major difference. Next question is for QT3. Which of the following is haploid? The options are primary spermatocyte, ovum, zygote, and eukaryote. Do you know what is haploid? Yeah. What's your opinion? You're going on with option A. It's the wrong answer. Next question is for QT4. Cover cells are present in option A liver, kidney, heart, none of the above. Sorry? None of the above. Are you sure? Or you want to pass? Option A liver. Right answer. Next question is for QT5. Dash connects muscle to bones. Option A tendons, ligaments, joints, cartilage. Option A tendons. Correct answer. Next question is for QT6. How many pairs of the spinal nerve are found in human? 33, 31, 13, 15.
8.
Huh?
8.
Option A, 33 pairs. Are you sure? Option A, 33. Next question is for QT7. Which of the following hormone helps in the secretion of HCl from stomach? Gastrin, secretive, pepsin, renin. option A, gastrin. Correct answer. The next question is for 50A. Which of the following cells in the pancreas make insulin? Epithelial cells, hepatic cells, germ cells, islet cells.
Students, you have 30 seconds. Please think and answer.
The islet cells.
It's the right answer.
The islet cells.
It's the right answer. The last round for my first level.
The last question for round 1. Which of the following is the innermost layer of human eye? Retina, choroid, sclera, cornea.
C, sclera.
Sir, C, sclera. Next question is for QT2. Graveyard of RBC is correct answer. Next question is for QT3. Which blood cells secrete antibody? Option C, lymphocytes.
That's a correct.
Correct answer. Next question is for QT4. Which among the following vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin K, vitamin A, B, and C. A, vitamin K. Option A, vitamin K. Correct answer. Next question is for QT5. Centromere is required for transcription, crossing over, movement of chromosomes towards poles, or cleavage. Option C, movement of chromosomes towards correct answer. Next question is for QT6. Which of the following does not have a membrane? Ribosome, mitochondria, nucleus, chloroplast. Option B, mitochondria.
Are you sure?
Mitochondria का double membrane होता है.
Last 5 seconds.
Next question is for QT7. If the blood group of an individual is A, then the antibody present is anti-B antibodies, anti-A antibodies, anti-O antibodies, or anti-OA antibodies. Option D, anti-OA antibodies. She says option D, anti-OA antibodies. Wrong answer.
No, it's
Next question is for QT8.
it's option you check one. Wait.
Anti-B antibody is correct. Anti-B. There's nothing known as anti-OA.
Color blindness is due to defect in option A, cones, option B, rods, option B, rods and cones, and option D, rhodopsins.
Option D, rhodopsin. Option D, rhodopsin.
So by the end of
5 points. QT2 stand at 15, 3 at 10, 4 at 15, 5 at 15, 6, unfortunately no score, 7, 5, 7 has scored 5 points and 8 has scored 10 points. Level, while the other leaves the competition. Is this clear? So the question will be for team 1 and team 7. The question, please listen clearly. Team 1 and team 7. Team 1, where's team 1? Team 7. Okay. Dense regular connective tissue is seen in all except you have 4 options. The first option is cartilage, second option ligament, third periosteum, fourth tendon. So in which of these options dense regular connective tissue is not seen? You want to write down the options? You can write down first option A cartilage, option B ligament, option C periosteum, option D tendon. 30 seconds to go. Dense regular connective tissue is seen in all except yes, your countdown starts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, team 1. You want me to go with option C, periosteum? Team 7, cartilage. Unfortunately, both the answers are wrong. The correct answer is tendon. Yes? So the next tiebreaker again, or shall I eliminate both the teams? Okay, so the next tiebreaker question, please be careful and answer it if you want to continue with the competition. Yes. The question is, sense of smell is perceived by option A pituitary, option B hypothalamus, option C olfactory lobe, and option D cerebrum. Sense of smell is perceived by which of these? Option A pituitary, B hypothalamus, C olfactory lobe, option D cerebrum. Team A?
Option C, olfactory lobe.
Okay. Team 7. Team 7. Time out. So give a big round of applause for Team 7. And Team 1 continues for the next round. Goes for the next round. All the best. Option A 1 to 6 ml per kg. Option B 6 to 8 ml per kg. Option C 8 to 10 ml per kg. Or option D 7 to 9 ml per kg. So option A. The wrong answer.
question is for QT2. Which of the following is present on the surface of intestinal epithelial cells? Option A, zygomatic granules. Option B, pinocytic vesicles. Option C, phagocytic vesicles. Or option D, microvilli. Right answer. Next question is for QT3. Lungs are enclosed within. Option A, perichondrium. Option B, periosteum. Option C, pleural membrane. Or option D, pericardium.
Option C, pleural membrane.
Next question is for QT4. Name the part of the brain which connects thalamus and medulla oblongata. Option A, pons medulla. Option B, pons cerebellum. Option C, dorsal vein. Option D, pons vermiform.
Are you sure?
Option A, pons medulla. That's the wrong answer. Next question is for QT5. The maximum amount of urea is present in option A, dorsal aorta. Option B, hepatic vein. Option C, renal vein. Option D, hepatic portal vein. Option A, dorsal aorta.
Are you sure?
Last 3 seconds.
Next question is for QT8. Which of the following organs contains the bundle of his? Option A, pancreas. Option B, brain. Option C, kidney. Or option D, heart. Option D, heart. Right answer. Next question is for QT1. Name the immunoglobulin found in lymph fluid. Option A, IgE. Option B, IgM. Option C, IgA. Or option D, IgG. Option D. Zero hands. Next question is for QT2. Heartbeat originates from the option A, papillary muscles. Option B, SA node. Option C, AV node. Or option D, Purkinje fibers.
SA node.
Right answer.
Next question is for QT3. Which of the following features is common in both humans and adult frogs? Option A, internal fertilization. Option B, ureteric mode of excretion. Option C, nucleated RBCs. Or option D, four-chambered heart. Option B, ureteric mode of excretion. You have time to get this. Fast, we're running out of time.
Please think.
Done.
Done? B, B. Yeah. Correct.
Next question is for QT4. Which of the following is correct sequence of events leading to blood clotting? Option A, vasoconstriction, platelet aggregation or coagulation. Option B, platelet aggregation, vasoconstriction and coagulation. Option C, vasoconstriction, coagulation, platelet aggregation. And option D, coagulation, platelet aggregation, and vasoconstriction.
Please think, you have time. Think and answer. When the blood clots, what is the sequence?
Option A. Correct answer. Next question is for 55. The basic functional unit of a human kidney is known as option A, nephron, option B, renal pyramid, option C, Henry's loop nephron, D, nephridia. It's option A, nephron.
Right answer.
Next question is for QDA. Single uniferous tubule does not contain blank. Option A, loop of Henry. Option B, collecting duct. Option C, distal convoluted tubule. Or option D, Bowman's capsule. Option B, Bowman's capsule. Wrong answer. Next question is for QD1. Which of the following joints is freely movable? Option A, fibrous joint. Option B, synovial joint. Option C, cartilaginous joint. Or option D, amphib arthrosis. Please, option B, synovial joint. Next question is for QT2. The middle portion of the human sperm contains option A, nucleus, option B, proteins, option C, centriole, or option D, mitochondria. So option D, mitochondria. Next question is for QT3. Which of the following is the correctly matched pair of an organ and muscles present in the organ? Option A, intestine and striated and involuntary. Option B, upper arm, smooth muscle and fusiform in shapes. Option C, heart, involuntary and unstriated smooth muscle. Option D, thigh, striated and voluntary. Which is the correct matched pair? As you're running out of time. Correct answer. Next question is for QT4. Cartilage at the end of long bones is option A, calcified cartilage, option B, fibrous cartilage, option C, hyaline cartilage, or option D, elastic cartilage. Option C, hyaline cartilage. Next question is for QT5. A deltoid ridge is present in option A, humerus, option B, femur, option C, radius, or option D, ulna. Option B, female. Next question is for QTA. Intercostal muscles are attached with.
Option D.
Right answer. The last round of round 2. Question is for QT1. The balancing organ of the ear is option A, organ of contact, option B, vestibular apparatus, option C, pectoral membrane, or option D, cochlea.
Option D.
This is option B, vestibular apparatus. Right. Next question is for QT2. Which of the following is a part of the hindbrain? Hypothalamus, cerebellum, spinal cord, or corpus callosum?
Cerebellum.
Next question is for QT3. Which of the following parts of the brain controls body temperature and hunger? Option A, thalamus. Option B, pons. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Is it right? Next question is for QT4. Which of the following parts acts as an endocrine gland after ovulation? Option A, white light membrane. Option B, stroma. Option C, germinal epithelium. Or option D, Graafian follicle. Option D, Graafian follicle. Sure. Right answer. Next question is for QT5. Cerebrous glands present in the ear are option A, modified encrine glands, option B, modified apocrine glands, option C, mucus glands, or option D, modified holocrine glands. Okay, option C, mucus glands. Option C, mucus glands. The wrong answer. Next question is for QTA. The gastroduodenal artery is derived from option A, cerebral artery, option B, hepatic artery, option C, splenic artery, or option D, cystic artery.
Option D. Celiac artery.
Wrong answer. Participants, by the end of round 2, adding up both your round 1 marks and round 2 scores. Here are the scores. Team 1 stands with 25 points. Team 2 with the highest of 55 points. Team 3 50. Team 4 45. Team 5 20. 25 and team 8 with 30 points. So we come for the next elimination. We will be eliminating team 1 and team 5 who have 25 points. And team 5 for your active participation. Okay? There's slight changes because we are getting late because of shortage of time. The final round will have only 2 questions per team and each question carries 20 marks.
So it is a 2 or die round. You want to win, you answer the question correctly.
One question per team. Question and 50 marks for the question. And if you decide to pass, 25 marks, which you will not.
To answer that question, you answer it correctly, you will get 30 marks. You pass, and the next team answers, they get 15 marks. Let's go on team 2. Team 2.
QT2. With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct? Option A is 2 is appendix and 6 is duodenum. Option B, 10 is rectum and 9 is sigmoid colon. Option C, 3 is cecum and 1 is transverse colon.
You want me to tell the numbers? Okay. This is 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the option A is 2 is appendix and 6 is duodenum. Second option is 10 is rectum, 9 is sigmoid colon. Option C is 3 is cecum and 1 is transverse colon. Option D is 5 is right iliac flexure and 4 is descending colon. Which of this is correct?
B. 10 is rectum and 9 is colon.
Sure. Sorry.
B.
Option B.
Yes.
Right answer. Next is QT3. With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct?
So you want me to tell again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So 8 is the lesser curvature. 9 is the cardiac splinter. 2 fundus. 4 greater curvature. 5 pyloric canal. 6 pyloric antrum. D. None of the above.
The time is started.
you pass, you get 15 points. The passing team, if it tells correctly. Option C. Are you sure? You want to pass? No. It's wrong answer.
Next question is for QT4.
Yes.
With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Okay.
Option A, this is liver. Option B, this is spleen. Option C, this is liver and gallbladder. Or option D, this is spleen and gallbladder. Your time has already started.
Option C, liver and gallbladder.
And that's the right answer.
Next question is for QT8. With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct? Option A, the number 6 is spleen. Option B, 6 is gallbladder.
Answer was wrong.
That was correct only.
It is gallbladder, liver only, ma'am.
But you said should A then. That was marked wrong.
Marked wrong. It is the back picture of liver and gallbladder, ma'am.
Number 10 is gallbladder.
Yes. It's C, ma'am. What I told is correct.
Option C, 6 is liver. Option D, 6 is pancreas.
The question is on 6. Which of 6 is correct? Whether 6 is spleen, gallbladder, liver or pancreas?
Option A is D.
And it's the right answer.
Next question is the final round of round 3.
And the last round.
So the first question.
What? Yes. No. They agreed for 2 rounds. Okay, fine. Finish up fast. Bring one.
Yes. For QD2. With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct? It's for 3. 3 is lumbar vertebra.
Not able to see? See, the number 3 is from here to here. So what is this position called or this part called? Whether it is lumbar vertebra, cervical vertebra, thoracic vertebra or sacral vertebra.
Thoracic. C.
Option C. You're going with option C? Time out, and it's the wrong answer.
So the final question for QT3. With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct?
So you want me to show it again? So you have 2 here. This place from here to here is 2. 3 is here. This part. 8 is here. This hole. And D is both A and C are correct. Which is correct? Whether C, sacrum is correct. B, 3, that is this, is pelvic inlet. 8, obtutor, foramen, or option D, both A and C are correct. Which of the option is correct? With reference to the picture, which one of the following is correct?
Option D, both A and C. talking about.
Option C, 5.
Option C, you're going with bones of lower part of lower lip. It's a correct answer.
The final question for QTA.
Last team, last question.
With reference to the below picture, which among the following is correct? Option A, all the numbered structure are tendons. Option B, all the numbered structure are ligaments. Option C, 1 and 2 are ligaments, but 4 and 5
1
are
is here,
tendons.
2 is here, 4 is here, and 5 is here.
And option D, only 3 is the ligament. The time is starting.
Option
Option C. Yes.
C.
they have told the answer. So it's very clear. The winner is team 4 with 105 points. The second team, team number 2, unfortunately they have scored really well from first level, second round. And the last question, if you had answered, you would be the clear winner. But unfortunately, you stand in the second place with 85 points. Yes. And the third place is backed by team 3 with 80 points. A small difference between team 2 and team 3. Just with 5 points, they are leading and they are scoring the second place, and you are going to the third place. And team 8, not bad. You have done a very good job, and you have scored 60 points. All the very best. See you all next time. And congratulations to all the winners and for actively taking part. All the best.
Second prize goes to Model 9. Model 9. And first prize goes to Model 6. So now poster. The second prize goes to poster 7. So for M-Farm, poster 17. I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Dr. Mubin ma'am, and our Research Director, Dr. Salma Khan ma'am, and our HOD, Dr. Swati Mittal, and our department people, and my students. So thank you, one and all. Research Director.
Thanks for the quiz which you all could answer, and excellent participation by all the students. Please collect